Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to log out of a Google or Gmail account from your phone. This is on Android. Press your Gmail app, then press on the profile up here. Scroll down to the bottom and here it says manage accounts on this device. Press that. Here it says Google. Just press that. Here you can see your Gmail accounts. Find the one you want to log out of and press it. Now press more, and here it says remove account. Just press that. Remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Remove account. And the Gmail or Google account is now removed from the phone. If this was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.